13 unit Out of Rainforest degan maqolani ko'rib chiqamiz. Birinchisiga richga bizda to'g'ri javob B bo'ladi, countlessga D bo'ladi, drugsga A bo'ladi, disappearga E bo'ladi, clearga C bo'ladi va pollutionga F variant bo'ladi. Matnga o'tamiz. Have you ever entered a tropical rainforest? Siz hech tropik yomg'irli o'rmonga kirganmisiz? It's a special dark place completely different from anywhere else. Bu boshqachadan umuman tubdan farq qiladigan ajoyib, ya'ni ajralib turadigan joy. A rainforest is a place where the trees grow very tall. Rainforest ya'ni yomg'irli o'rmon bu, daraxtlar juda ham baland o'sadigan joy. Millions of kinds of animals, insects and plants live in the rainforest. Million turdagi hayvonlar, hasharotlar va o'simliklar o'sha yomg'irli o'rmonda yashashadi. It's a hot and humid in rainforest. Yomg'irli o'rmonda nam va issiq bo'ladi. It rains a lot in the rainforest, but sometimes you don't know it's raining. Yomg'irli o'rmonda yomg'ir juda ko'p yog'adi, lekin siz yomg'ir yog'ayotganini bilmaysiz. The trees grow so closely together that rain doesn't always reach the ground. Daraxtlar bir-biriga shunaqangi qalin, bir-biriga yaqin o'sganki, hatto yomg'ir yerga tegmaydi. Rainforests make up only small part of the earth's surface, about 6%. Yomg'irli o'rmonlar bor yo'g'i yerning 6%ni, yer yuzasining 6%ni tashkil qiladi. They around in tropical parts of the world. Ular dunyoning tropik qismlarida topiladi. The largest rainforest in the world is the Amazon in South America. Eng katta rainforestdan bittasi bu Janubiy Amerikada joylashgan Amazonka. The Amazon covers 1.2 billion acres or almost 5 million square kilometers. Amazonka 1.2 milliard akrni yoki deyarli taxminan 5 million kilometr kvadratni o'z ichiga oladi. The second largest rainforest is in Western Africa. Ikkinchi katta rainforest bu G'arbiy Afrikada joylashgan. There are also rainforests in Central America, Southeast, Northern Australia and Pacific Islands. Shuningdek, Markaziy Amerika, Janubiy Sharqiy Osiyo, Shimoliy Sharqiy Osiyo, Avstraliya va Tinch okeani sohillarida ham bor. O'rmonlar. The rainforest provides us many things. Rainforestlar bizni ko'p narsalar bilan ta'minlaydi. In fact, the Amazon rainforest is called the lungs of our planet because it produces 20% of world's oxygen. Aslida Amazonka o'rmoni sayyoramizni o'pkasi deb ataladi, chunki u bizning dunyoning 20% kislorodini bizga yetkazib beradi. 1/5 of the world's fresh water is also found in the Amazon rainforest. 5 ta o'rindan bo'lsa, bitta dunyodagi eng musaffo suvlardan bittasi Amazonkada topiladi. Furthermore, 1/2 of the world's species of animals, plants, insects live in the Earth's rainforest. Shuningdek, dunyoni 1/2dan ko'p naqalari, jonivor turlari, o'simliklar va hasharotlar ham shu o'rmonda yashashadi. 80% of the food we eat first grow in the rainforest. Biz yeydigan ovqat 80% ham shu o'rmonda o'stiriladi. For example, pineapples, bananas, tomatoes, corn, potatoes, chocolate, coffee and sugar all came from rainforest. Misol uchun o'sha ananas, banan, pomidor, makka, kartoshka, shokolad, kofe va shakar ham shu o'rmonlardan keltiriladi. 25% of the drugs we take when we are sick are made of plants that grow only in the rainforest. Biz kasalligimizda qabul qilayotgan dorilardagi shozi ham aynan shu o'rmonda yetishtiriladi. Some of the drugs are even used to fight and cure cancer. Bu dorilarning hatto bir qanchasi rakni davolash uchun ham qo'llaniladi. With all good things we get from rainforests, it's surprising to find that we're destroying our rainforests. Eng qizig'i, hayron qolarli shundaki, biz o'rmonlarda nima olib turgan bo'lsak, o'sha yerda nima qilyapmiz deyapmiz, vayron qilyapmiz, ya'ni buzib yuboryapmiz o'rmonlarimizni deyapmiz. In fact, 1.5 acres or 6,000 square meters of rainforest disappear every second. Aslida har soniyada 6000 kvadrat kilometr yoki 1,5 akr joyi bu o'rmon yakson bo'ladi. The forests are being cut down to make fields for cows to harvest the plants and clear land for farms. Sigirlarga joy qilish uchun, o'simliklarni yetishtirish uchun va fermalar uchun ham bu o'rmonlar kesib tashlanmoqda. Along with losing countless valuable species, the destruction of rainforests creates many problems worldwide. Bu sanoqsiz turlarni, qiymatli turlarni yo'q qilish bilan birga juda ko'p dunyo bo'ylab muammolarni keltirib chiqaryapti. Destruction of rainforest results in more pollution, less rain and less oxygen for the world. Bu o'rmonlarni kesilish natijasida ko'p havo ifloslanishi bo'lyapti, kam yomg'ir yog'yapti va dunyoda kam kislorod qolyapti. What is the focus of this reading? Ya'ni asosiy g'oyasi nimada? To'g'ri javob bu yerda C bo'ladi, ya'ni faktlar. What do rainforest provide? Nima bilan ta'minlab beradi? To'g'ri javob D, bularning barchasi bilan. Why is the rainforest called lungs of the planet? To'g'ri javob D bo'ladi, bizni havo bilan ta'minlaydi. Where will you not find a rainforest? To'g'ri javob B bo'ladi. Kanadada yomg'irli o'rmon bo'lmaydi. What is the most likely reason why author is surprised that they are destroying rainforests? To'g'ri javob A bo'ladi, chunki ular bizni sayyoramizni sog'lig'i uchun juda ham zarur. Idiomalarga o'tamiz. Make up biron narsadan tashkil topgan, o'z ichiga olgan. Be made of biron narsadan yasalgan yoki qilingan. Cut down kesib tashlamoq. If in December my family goes to and cuts down a Christmas tree, this soap is made of all natural ingredients. Beef makes up a large part of the typical American diet. Summary ga o'tamiz. Rainforest only make up bo'ladi. 2 ga oxygen bo'ladi. 3 ga also many of the ways to fight disease. Demak, disease degani uchun drugs tavsiya bo'ladi. Most of the creatures on earth and foods that we eat come from the rainforest as well. Unfortunately, rainforests are disappearing. They're being cut down. Problems resulting from destruction of rainforests include more oxygen, more pollution, less oxygen, and fewer species of animals bo'ladi. Tezga o'tsak ham bo'laveradi. People have died in car accidents. Countless bo'ladi, sanoqsiz odamlar o'ladi nimada? Avariyalarda. B bo'lyapti. 2 a small of the earth's population has access to computers. Small percent bo'ladi, C variant, ya'ni foizi. We may have oxygen in future if all rainforests are cut down. Shortage of oxygen, ya'ni tanqislik. Death of snake is poisonous. Watch out. This species of snake is poisonous. The tree's branches are so long that they reach the ground bo'ladi, ya'ni yerga tegib turadi, shoxlari uzunligida. Don't the table yet. I have not finished the dinner. Bu yerda don't clear bo'ladi, ya'ni stolni ustini yig'ishtirma, men hali ovqatlanishni tugatmadim. He sees a doctor twice a month for treatment of his back pain. Ya'ni u belini muolajasi uchun oyda 2 marta doktorga borib turadi. That water looks polluted. To'g'ri javob B bo'ladi. When did last dinosaur disappear? A bo'ladi, chunki bu yerda did kelgani uchun fe'lni o'zini olamiz. The is very high today. The humidity bo'ladi, namlik juda ham bugun yuqori.